Hi guys, today is day 21 of me doing the 23 healthy habits challenge. So first I woke up early and did my brush. Then I drank lemonade as a detox water and then cleaned my whole room. Then did my bath. In breakfast I ate upma with very slow eating because it is good for weight loss, digestion thing. And after having any meal I walk 5 to 10 minutes. I knew these tips because last year I lost 13 kgs. In lunch I ate dal rice. In evening I ate some grapes as a evening snack thing. And then I did my 30 minutes workout. In dinner I ate ghiya and methi aloo ki sabzi with one chapati. Also dinner before 8 p.m. I read 10 pages of one novel, drank healthy water, also completed 2 liters of water in a day, and did my brush and also completed 10,000 steps in a day. Also completed other steps like no sugar intake, less wash time, meditation and skincare वगैरह. Tips for the day: eat homemade food only, do at least 30 minutes workout and walk as much as you can. You will definitely lose weight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.